Hello everyone. We have Kaya and Nash's cute little babies right here. They are almost to the age that they can go home. They are about 7.5 weeks right now. And aren't they the cutest little fluff bears? They're so sweet. We have 2 girls and 3 boys. This litter was actually really easy because the 3 Merles are boys and the 2 Tries are girls. We named these guys after brands of paint. All of these puppies have been reserved, but we do have other litters coming up. We just wanted to do a little video for their families so they could see how they're doing. Oh boy, hello. They've definitely got really social and outgoing the last couple weeks. This little guy here is Mr. Behr. He's got the cutest little face, cute little black ear. Oh, I know. Happy personality. Oh, hello. They got a bath and a car ride today, which is good socialization. This is Mr. Benjamin. He's such a cute little fluff bear. He's staying for socialization and training. Happy bears, huh? They're so chunky. Mom's done a great job raising them, and they've also been eating kibble really good. This is Mr. Sherwin with a blue eye. We love Sherwin. He's got lots of black throughout his coat, black under his eye. He's so cute. I love his markings. Hi, you guys are so pretty and cute. You're so cute. Okay. And the 2 little girls have always been the more laid back ones of the litter. You can see there's a little bit of a size difference too. The girls are definitely smaller. But this is Kensington, super cute. It's lots of brown. It's off. This age, they start getting to what we call the shark stage. Their teeth are really sharp and they love to test the boundaries. Off. 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 Tell them get off. Okay. And then this is little Kelly Moore. So cute. Got the prettiest eyebrows. Cute little white spot on the back of her neck. Boys are being rambunctious right now. Little Kensington, huh? You're not gonna show your playfulness right now? Yeah. We did the girls' pictures first and they were running around for a few minutes, and then we did the boys' pictures, so they got a chance to get their wiggles out before the boys did. Hi Kelly, hi baby, you're so cute. You're so cute. Oh yeah. But those are Kaya's babies. They are so cute, and they really want to get their wiggles out, huh? Yeah. Go. Cute little girlies. Little girlies. Trying to get the girls to be a little more playful again. There they go. Like their little toes. But those are Kaya's babies. Please reach out if you have any questions about them. But we wanted to do this update for their families, see how they're growing. Hello. Yeah, they're so cute. Thank you guys for watching.